Hi there, Sandra here from createinspain. It's come to my attention recently that people are using special stencil mats to do their stenciling on. Now there's a couple of reasons why you might want to do that. You might have a surface which you really don't want to get inked up, so having a special mat for stenciling makes sense. You might possibly just think, oh, this is a nice gizmo, I quite fancy one of those, in which case feel free, be my guest. Go buy one. But if you like the idea of one and you don't want to spend that kind of money on a mat, there is a much cheaper way of doing it. I have here my stencil mat that I made for all of about €1. This is a normal kitchen cutting mat. Buy them in packs of 5 normally when I see them in either Aldi or Lidl. I use them around the craft room for all sorts of things, they're just really handy. And the great thing is that this is the cutting side. This feels quite normally smooth and everything. But on this side, it's actually got kind of like a rubbery feeling and it's kind of non-slip. Now obviously they make them like this so that you can put them on a kitchen counter and they're not going to move when you're chopping your vegetables. So all I've done is taken a couple of strips of craft foam. I happen to have self-adhesive craft foam around, but if not, you can use the normal stuff. Just put some double-sided tape on it and just put one strip there, one strip there. Now the advantage is if you want to, you can put other strips around for different sizes and things if you feel the need. So I've got a piece of thin card here. On here, I'm pressing really hard. It isn't going to move. Okay, it cannot move on there just by me doing that. Not even when I put a lot of pressure on, it's not going to move. If I want to do some stenciling, and maybe I just want to stencil a particular portion of my paper. Say I want to stencil this top bit here. Now I could hold that in place if I wanted to, but I can also tape onto this surface because it will stay on it. This isn't silicone, this is rubberized, slightly different. And so now I can come in with my ink, just hold that there, and then I can stencil to my heart's content. If I want to make sure that it's completely lined up with a corner, then that's easy to do as well. I'll just pop that into the corner and tape it down on my paper if I need to do that, and then go ahead and do my stenciling. So there we go, a DIY, a stenciling mat that works quite nicely. Now you might be thinking, oh, well, doesn't it get in a right state? Doesn't it get messy? This is the ink I was using. Okay, looks a mess, but all I do is take a piece of tissue paper or paper towel, whatever. I use window cleaner habitually to clean things off, and clean it off it does. Not a problem. If it gets too dirty, I will simply throw it away, which is something that I wouldn't want to do if I was going to spend a lot of money on a dedicated stencil mat. So there we go, DIY version, cost all of about €1 and will do the job perfectly well. Thanks for watching. If you want more money saving tips, then have a browse through my channel videos. I have quite a lot of hints, tips and hacks. Take care now.